Hello friends, welcome back to our Tech Key 99 channel. In today's video I'm gonna to show you how to add audio sound in GDevelop game. So let's start the video. Before begin, I request to you, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my new videos notification. Go to events, and now I'm gonna to add a bullet sound. Let's see how you can add a bullet sound. Okay, click on add action, other actions, audio, and play a sound. And now click on create and create an audio sound. Friends, you can use this audio sound in free. You don't get any type of copyright issue. Just click here laser or shoot. From here you can get it shoot sounds. Okay, I already created these shoot sounds. And now rename these sounds. And then click on save and click on OK. You can see here bullet fire rate is 0.2 seconds. In 0.2 seconds bullet will be create and sound will be also create. Okay, when enemy group will collision with player, then player should be hurt sound. Click on add action, other actions, audio, and play a sound. Create. And now click on hit or hurt. You can get it hurt sound. Okay, rename this sound hurt. Click on save. Okay, click on OK. Enemy group is in collision with player, then player will be blink and player sound will be hurt sound. Okay, when enemy group is collision with bullet, then here will be also hurt sound. Copy this one and paste here. When bullet is in collision with enemy pipe, then here will be also hurt sound. Click on add action, other actions, audio, and play a sound. Create. Click on hurt. When you click on hurt 2 times, 3 times or 4 times, then sound will be also change. And from here you can adjust your sound. And now rename this sound and then click on save. Click on OK. And now let's preview it. Click on preview button. Yeah, here we go. Friends, you can see it. Bullet sound is creating and enemy sound is also creating. Friends, in next video I'll show you how to upload this game on free app store and free game websites. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. If you have any type of question, then comment below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.